In this video, I'll show you how to build a Gantt view in Airtable. First, sign into your Airtable account and open the base where you want to create your timeline. Select the table that contains the project information you want to visualize. Next, make sure your table has the required date fields. You need a start date field and an end date field, since Airtable uses these dates to create the timeline bars for your tasks or projects. Add these fields if they don't already exist. After that, click Create New View and choose Gantt from the available view options. Give your view a name, then select the date fields you want Airtable to use for the timeline. Your records will now appear as bars showing the duration of each task. Now, customize your Gantt view by grouping records, adjusting the timeline settings, and adding dependencies if needed. You can drag the taskbars to update dates, resize them to change durations, and organize your project into a clearer schedule. Finally, review your Gantt chart and make any final adjustments. You can use this view to track projects, deadlines, and team schedules while keeping your Airtable data connected and updated automatically. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a Gantt view in Airtable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.